Let us go to the next problem. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. Now, in order to prove that, again let us start with the left hand side. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. You know sin theta is common. Let me take out sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by, sure, cos theta is common. Let me take out cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Whenever I look at this, I got the answer, I feel. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, but I have to cancel this or I have to make it as 1. How to make it? Sin theta by cos theta I write down as tan theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. What can I write down? 1 minus sin 1 as sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1 as sin square theta plus cos square theta. Why? What is the identity? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. In place of 1, I wrote sin square theta plus cos square theta. And what is sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta? You get cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by, this one let tan theta be like that, into 2 cos square theta minus plus cos square theta, you get again cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this get cancels, sin square theta cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta. So answer is tan theta. Next is cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. They have said simplify left hand side and right hand side separately. So let me try. Cosecant A, how can I write down cosecant A? Cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A minus sin A as it is into secant A 1 by cos A minus cos A as it is. So you get in the denominator, here in the denominator you get sin A. So what do you get? 1 minus sin A get cancelled. So 1 minus sin square A into cos A is the common denominator. Cos A get cancelled. 1 minus cos square A. So what is 1 minus sin square A? We'll get cos square A divided by sin A into, what is 1 minus cos square A? Sin square A divided by cos A. What is this cos square A and cos A? What remains? Cos A. Sin square A and sin A. What remains? Sin. Cos A, sin A. Let me try with the right hand side. So they have asked you to simplify separately so that you have to get cos A sin A there also. So tan A 1 by tan A plus cot A. 1 by tan A plus cot A. So, what is 1 by tan A? 1 by tan A is sin A by cos A plus cot A cos A by sin A is equal to 1 divided by, let us take the common denominator, cos A sin A. So what happens? Cos A sin A. So cos A get cancels. Sin square A plus sin A get cancels plus cos square A. So let me write on 1 divided by sin square A plus cos square A. This goes up into cos A sin A. So 1 by, this is equal to 1 into cos A sin A. This is the answer we got. There also sin A cos A. So that is why they say you simplify left hand side separately and right hand side separately. Whenever they were asked you to solve separately, you have to come to the same conclusion from the left hand side and right hand side. The next problem is similarly like that. Simplify left hand side and right hand side separately. One plus secant A divided by secant A is equal to sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. Hint, simplify left hand side and right hand side separately. So let me simplify the left hand side. 1 plus secant A is 1 by cos A divided by secant A is 1 by cos A is equal to, cos A is the common denominator. What do you get? Cos A plus 1 divided by 1 by cos A is equal to cos A plus 1 divided by cos A into cos A goes up divided by 1. Cos A 1s, you will get 1 plus cos A or cos A plus 1. Now let me take the new right hand side. Sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. I can write down sin square A as 1 minus cos square A divided by 1 minus cos A. I can use the identity A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So 1 minus cos square A I can write down as 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A get cancels. So 1 plus cos A. That is the answer we got from the left hand side as well as right hand side. The next question I'll take it as 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A the whole square divided by 1 minus cot A. So the whole square is here is equal to tan square A. So I can do this one as this one or that one also. So let me start from the first one. I can write down 1 plus tan square A as secant square A divided by 1 plus cot square as cosecant square A. So let me start from the question. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. 1 plus cot square A as cosecant square A. Secant square A I can write as 1 by cos square A divided by 1 by sin square A. So 1 by cos square A into sin square A goes up divided by 1 is equal to sin square A by cos square A is tan square. I got the answer. From here I got this. Now let me try from here to that or here. As I want I can do. Whenever I write down A is equal to B is equal to C, I have to prove. I can prove either A is equal to B or A is equal to C, B is equal to C. As I want I can solve. So let me start from 1 minus tan A the whole square. 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A the whole square is equal to 1 minus tan A the whole square divided by 1 minus cot A the whole square is equal to 1 plus tan square A minus 2 tan A divided by 1 plus cot square A minus 2 cot A. Using the identity A minus B the whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB, A square minus 2AB plus B square. So 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A minus 2 tan A I can write down as 2 tan A divided by 1 plus cot square as cosecant square A minus 2 cot A. So that is equal to secant square A I can write down as 1 by cos square A minus 2 sin A by cos A divided by 1 by sin square A minus 2 cos A by sin A. Let me take the common denominator. Cos square A is the common denominator. You get 1 minus cos square A get cancels. 1 minus 2 sin A cos A, because here cos A get cancels. 1 cos A remains into here. Let me take the common denominator divided by sin square A is the common denominator. Here you will get 1 minus 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin A cos A divided by cos square A into sin square A goes up divided by 1 minus 2 sin A cos A. So this get cancels. We get sin square A by cos square A is equal to tan square A. Both you got the answer as tan square A.